In the news, soldier misfires, kill 8 worker. Buhari departs Abuja for Spain. EU agrees compromise deal on banning import. Details shortly. This is TOS Television, your digital first Pan-African news network. I am Merciful Ajinomo, and this is TOS News 360. The medical charity Doctors Without Borders have said that one of its staff, Mahamat Ahamat, has been shot dead by a soldier in the Central African Republic. It said Ahamat, who worked as a medicine dispenser, was shot 3 times at his home by a member of the armed forces on Saturday in Moyene Sido, a town around 500 kilometers north of the capital, Bangui. MSF has condemned the attack and called on the authorities to investigate the heinous act. Cameroonian soldiers have reportedly freed a kidnapped senator of the ruling party plus several other hostages in an operation in the country's English-speaking northwest region. It should be recalled that Senator Elizabeth Regina Mundi and her driver were kidnapped in Bamenda last month. She was ambushed at Foncha Street in Bamenda and taken off her Prado Jeep to an unknown destination. In Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari Tuesday departed Nigeria for Spain on a state visit at the invitation of Spanish President Pedro Sanchez. Femi Adesina, the president's spokesperson, disclosed in a statement obtained by TOS News Tuesday. According to the statement, President Buhari will as well meet with the head of state of the Spanish nation, His Majesty King Felipe VI, at a separate meeting during the visit. The president of the Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors, Dr. Ishaya Godiya, has tasked doctors to get involved in the country's governance. Ishaya was speaking as the association welcomed him in the nation's capital city ahead of the 2022 Ordinary General Meeting, which was at its theme, the whole role of doctors in governance. According to him, the doctors for years buried themselves in serving the nation and forgot the need to get involved in the act of governance and push for positive policies which will revamp the nation's health sector.
This year's OGM, we should dedicate it in x-raying what will be our role in governance. That will give us the needed information and experience to know that actually some of the woes in the health sectors that we experience now, if we get involved in the government, definitely some of those issues that have been so contentious and very difficult for us to crack, we can find a way and get around it and, of course, give the desired health services.
Nigeria's ace journalist Toba Adedeji has been shot by police officials deployed to disperse some protesters in Osogbo. A student whose identity could not be immediately ascertained was also injured by the police. Some youth had assembled on the Olaya Bridge in Osogbo to protest the alleged extrajudicial killing of one of them identified as Abiola. This is your digital first Pan-African news network, TOS Television, and you are watching TOS News 360. More national, global and business stories when we return. Stay with us. Thanks for staying. Yabaji Sani, chairman of the Inter-Party Advisory Committee and national chairman of the Action Democratic Party, has emerged as the presidential candidate of the party. He was declared the ADP presidential flag bearer at a special national convention of the party on Tuesday in Abuja. Tasiru Abdurrahman, the chairman ADP electoral panel, said Sani was chosen by consensus. He said Sani was chosen after he was screened and confirmed to have met all requirements for the 2023 presidential election. EU leaders say they will block most Russian oil imports by the end of 2022 to punish Moscow for invading Ukraine. The EU-wide ban will affect oil that arrives by sea, around 2/3 of import, but not pipeline oil, following opposition from Hungary. Poland and Germany have also pledged to end pipeline import, meaning a total of 90% of Russian oil will be blocked. The Nigeria Customs Service and the consortium Trade Modernization Project Limited on Monday signed a concession agreement worth $3.2 billion to digitalize operations of the border security and revenue collection outfit. This is just as the federal government expects to generate over $176 billion from the deal. At the agreement signing ceremony held at the Abuja National Headquarters of the NCS, where representatives of technical and financial partners in the deal, including African Finance Corporation and Huawei Technologies Company Limited, a subsidiary of China-based Huawei Technologies Company Limited. And that is TOS News 360 on your digital first Pan-African news network. For more updates, visit www.tostvnetwork.com. Follow and like our social media handles on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And remember to subscribe on YouTube. Stay with us and enjoy more programs on TOS Television Network. I am Merciful Ajinomo. Thanks for watching.